Have you ever tried to record a TikTok video and found yourself reaching for the camera to turn it off in the final second and it makes the whole vibe just awkward and ugh? Yeah, I totally get it. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to trim a TikTok video after you've finished recording. So you never have that awkward moment of you at the end of a video before the filming stops. So the first thing that you're gonna do is open up TikTok, okay? And then you're gonna select the plus sign as though you're gonna record a TikTok, because that's exactly what you're gonna do. Then you're going to record. Now this would be the point where normally there would still be those awkward seconds at the end. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit the red check mark. So to the far right of the screen, the red check mark, so that we can go to the next phase, okay? Then there, you're going to see the ability to adjust clips. Click on that there, and you can trim the beginning off of the video. You can also trim the end off of the video. So, ready for it? We can remove all of that awkwardness and end it exactly where we want to. We can also trim off the beginning if we wanted it to go right into the content. Click save. And then of course, you're gonna go through your usual process of adding filters, adding text, etc. Hit next. Add in a caption and hashtags, and you are good to rock and roll. Oh, if you wanna learn all about TikTok, head to my TikTok starter pack. It is totally free. You can check it out in the bio beneath this video. I'll catch you guys later.